As the proverb says, time is money, just like a blender, in which you put fruits and in some seconds the juice is done. Now imagine a machine that just by adding soil, you can build your own house. A great business opportunity, increase your income, and many other possibilities with the soil cement ecological bricks, which have interlocking modules that are revolutionizing civil construction sector due to its incredible modularity and easiness to build. You can save up to 60% of the construction value compared to a traditional construction. And you can make the soil cement ecological bricks by yourself at home, using the professional press transformer by Sahara Technology, with high-speed production and less workforce. Well, actually, no workforce at all. You can also get the soil crusher Jag Universal that perfectly prepares the material for making the bricks. And the Blue Box Kit, which contains several tools that allow you to produce more than 80 different types of bricks. Now you can realize your dream of living in your own house, or even start your own company, like a construction company, or sell the soil cement ecological bricks in the market. Interested, right? In addition, all Sahara's partners receive full training at our headquarters on both how to use the machinery and the theoretical implications of your company. Learn more about this incredible technology. Contact us by phone +55 11 21 71 1900 or by email export@sahara.com.br. Constructing a quality house is easier than making juice. Sahara Technology, machines for intelligent building.